Winter sets in, and the dark, shorter days are here. Fresh, crispy air and the cold breeze. Snowflakes gracefully fall from the sky, a picturesque winter wonderland with a warm, comforting flicker of a street lantern. Today's video is in collaboration with Kenya's Decor Corner. I'm going to leave the link to her channel in the description box along with the playlist. Today I'm going to show you how to make a lantern out of items you can find pretty much anywhere. This is going to be a great way to recycle an old jar, so I'm going to be using this one. And for your jar, you can use it with the lid as is, and then you can take a cap and then just glue that on, or any kind of lid. So I've got an old one here. I thought instead of showing you all how to decorate a lantern, it's always fun to actually make one yourself. First things first, I'm going to remove this label, and then I'm going to stick this on to the lid using some E6000 and my trusty hot glue gun. This is all stuck down now, so we're going to go and spray paint it black along with the candle holder. We're also going to spray some white card black. If you have some black card, then that's good. I've only got white, so I'm going to have to spray paint it black, and I'll tell you all what we're going to do with that when it comes to it. Next thing that I'm using are some Epsom salts. If you don't have it, you can just use normal salt. Make sure you put something down first and then pour a few handfuls onto here. This is optional, but I'm going to add some white glitter into here and mix it up, just to add an extra sparkle and shine. You're going to paint a thin layer of Mod Podge all over your glass, and then all you're going to do is roll it in to the mixture that we have here. And now I'm ready to roll it in. So all you do is put your hands inside your jar, it makes it easier, and roll it inside your mixture. So my card is all dry now, and I've measured 1/2 centimeter on here and cut off some strips. So I just need 6 strips because of the angles of the glass, so I'm going to hot glue them from the top here to the bottom. This doesn't look like much now, but wait until we put everything together. So that's what we're going to do next. You're going to take your jar and stick it onto your candle holder. You can use a combination of E6000 and hot glue. That way you don't need to wait for your E6000 to bond, because your hot glue will stick it temporarily. I also added another strip at the bottom here. Now we're going to decorate the neck of the lantern, and I have this red bow, so I'm going to stick it here, and then I'm also going to use this piece of vintage holly. And the last thing that you want are some tea lights. I'm going to use 2 just to give it extra light. So you're going to turn them on and then pop them inside your jar, and then you're just going to put the lid on and screw it up, and then you're done. And here's a lantern all done and complete. I hope that you love this idea and that you recreate it yourself, because it's really easy and, as you've seen, doesn't cost much at all. It really makes such a cute winter and Christmas decor piece. If this has inspired you and you like this creativity, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, leave this video a thumbs up, and let me know what you think in the comments below. As always, thank you all so much for supporting me and watching. Take care of yourselves. Bye.